Electric kettles can be used for much more than just making tea. Kettles are essential for activities such as boiling water for a French press, making oatmeal, heating water for soup or noodles, and more. Nathan Pocus, co-owner of Domestique Coffee in Birmingham, Alabama, says when deciding on an electric kettle, first consider what exactly you want to use your kettle for. Beyond that, you can decide between utility, precision, and aesthetics. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 electric kettles on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart JK17P1 Cordless Electric Kettle. We chose the Cuisinart Cordless Electric Kettle, Hearth and Hand with Magnolia as the best electric kettle because of its style, durability, and functionality. This stylish and sturdy kettle can boil up to 1.7 liters of water, and the kettle comes with an electric base that allows you to reach 1,500 watts of power. This kettle is fantastic for boiling water for French press coffee, tea, oatmeal, soup, and more. The stainless steel components are easy to operate, and it only takes a few minutes for water to boil. There's even a concealed heating element that helps prevent mineral buildup. This kettle also comes with an automatic shutoff function, which activates once boiling has reached peak level. While the product is technically cordless, there is a 30-inch power cord for the base. It is recommended to hand wash this kettle. Number 2. Cosori Electric Gooseneck Kettle. A gooseneck kettle is the best electric kettle to use when you're making something that requires you to control your pour speed, such as pour over coffee. The Cosori Electric Gooseneck Kettle is our favorite choice for those looking for a gooseneck option. The long and slim pour spout maintains a steady stream of water, which helps prevent spills and excess moisture. The base has 5 controls which are set to various temperatures that are ideal for individual beverages. There's a button for oolong tea, coffee, white teas, and more, which gives you control over how your water is boiled. The matte stainless steel kettle also features an alarm that beeps 3 times when the water has reached its preset temperature, but this can be turned off if preferred. Keep in mind that, because of the modern finish, you won't be able to see through this kettle like you would with a glass kettle. Number 3. Elite Gourmet ECT 1001B Kettle. The Elite Gourmet 1-liter electric glass water kettle is the best electric kettle for those who don't want to compromise kettle quality for a lower price point. The Elite Gourmet performs with expert execution without breaking the bank. The kettle combines glass, plastic, and stainless steel to create an electric kettle that boils 4.2 cups of water with ease and efficiency. The kettle's design provides a cool touch handle that allows you to safely pour water. Its convenient size fits on any countertop space, and the kettle's large pour spout has a filter that allows steady streaming pours. The base has a wraparound cord which allows for easy storage, and the 1,100 watts of power brings water to a boil in minutes. It should be noted this kettle is not programmable and does not have indicator lights like some models. Despite these setbacks, the kettle is still an affordable option for someone who wants a basic and reliable electric kettle. Number 4. Breville Tea Maker. The Breville One-Touch Tea Maker is a quality product for those able to splurge a bit more to score the best electric kettle. We love that this kettle includes a diffuser, so you can add loose leaf tea. You can also choose what kind of tea you're making, thanks to the preset menu. There is a button for oolong tea, green tea, black tea, white tea, herbal tea, and even a custom button. The kettle sits on a base that has a customizable brew temperature setting and even shows you the time since brew. The tea basket and tea scoop are both dishwasher safe, but the kettle itself should be cleaned with a dry cloth or with a water and vinegar solution if stains arise. The design is intended for loose leaf tea in particular, so bagged tea may not have the same results in quality. Number 5. Dezeen Electric Kettle. If you have limited space in your kitchen or want to keep a kettle on your office desk, a small electric kettle may be the best option for you. Standing at about 8 inches tall, this kettle holds approximately 0.8 liters of water. This kettle is not only stylish, its size allows for easy portability and storage. Complete with double wall technology, the kettle allows you to hold its body without scalding your hand. In fact, it feels cool to the touch even when in use. Its stainless steel design adds to durability, ensuring this kettle will last for a long time. Complete with a non-splash flexible lid and its sturdy handle, the kettle operates with boil-dry protection and an automatic shut-off function to help keep you safe when the kettle isn't in use. It should be noted, however, that this kettle only gets up to 800 watts. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.